Hi, kids! We birds really love our chicks and look after them very well. Like all our friends, we think about our young ones first. Come on, let's see what some of our friends do for their young ones. These chicks just hatched. They can't fly yet, so they can't find food for themselves. When they're hungry, they open their mouths and wait for their mother and their father to bring them food. The mother and father of these birds gather food for them day and night and feed them carefully. Look, this diving bird has gathered food for its chick and flies to its nest behind the waterfall, where its hungry little ones are waiting. These birds gather food for their young without tiring and bring food to the nest every 10 minutes. They think of their chicks before themselves and feed them first. But you know, kids, it's not only birds that think about their young ones. Several animals make even bigger sacrifices for their young. It is God who teaches these animals that they have to think about their young and feed them. Just like God has given us our senses, He has given animals the instinct to survive and reproduce. In the Quran, which God sent down to guide human beings, God states that animals were created with the qualities required for them to live together. There is no creature crawling on the earth or flying creature flying on its wings, who are not communities just like yourselves. We have not omitted anything from the book. Then they will be gathered to their Lord.